Israel National Radio Jewish History Moment. It was on the 28th of October 1938 when all Polish Jews living in Germany were arrested and deported to the Polish border in sealed trains. But the Poles did not want Jews and refused them entry. After having had to endure 3 days of intolerable conditions and guarded by Germans in no man's land, the Nazis won the argument and the Jews were pushed across the border. Most were housed in the small border town of Spongin until many months after the German army had invaded Poland, when they were moved on to more terrible destinations. When 17-year-old Herschel Grynszpan, who lived illegally in Paris, received word that his parents were among those suffering this ordeal, he was furious, took a handgun, went to the German embassy in Paris, and when received by the third secretary, Ernst vom Rath, Herschel shot him. Vom Rath died 2 days later. The death of this Nazi diplomat was the trigger for the well-prepared, so-called spontaneous pogrom of the Kristallnacht, Night of the Broken Glass, a few days later on November the 10th, when all synagogues in Germany, Austria and occupied Sudetenland were torched, Jewish property destroyed, and 30,000 Jewish men taken to concentration camps. This was an Israel National Radio History Moment.